Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can create a Grindr account. So as you know, Grindr is one of the world's largest social networking apps. So when you first open your Grindr app, you will see the login screen with the option to sign up, which is on the upper right hand corner of the screen. Just tap on this button. Then you will see the terms and services and privacy policy for your review. You can read this or you can skip this part and tap on the proceed button right below. Then tap on the accept button. That's the privacy policy of Grindr once again. So you can continue to read this or you can skip this part and just tap on the proceed button. Then again tap on the accept, then enter your email, then a password, then confirm your password by typing the same password as above, then enter your date of birth. So if you want Grindr to send you occasional emails, just tap on this button. If you don't want the notification from Grindr, then just leave this button like this and just afterwards tap on the finish button. They also want some verification steps. Just tap on the I am not a robot option. You can also allow Grindr to use location. If you want to save the password, tap on this button. Now enter your phone number, your country code, then your phone number, and then click on the send code option. They will send you a verification code to your number. So make sure your number is with you. So I just need to check my phone. So my verification code has just arrived. Just type the exact verification code that has been sent to the number you have given, then click on the verify option. So as you can see, my account has been verified. Now tap on the OK button. So you can also sign in with Grindr using your Apple ID, your Google or your Facebook. So that's how I've created a Grindr account. So once you have created your account, you can now sign in to any supported device. So to add a picture to your profile, you can tap on the camera symbol displayed here. You can customize your profile like this. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.